Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of TechOver. Today in this video I just want to show you how to get free Google Play credits. So if you just want to know about this, follow my video instruction. First of all, just open the Play Store of your Android device and you can see I collected 3000 Play points. And what are this? This is going to be used to get free Google Play credits. So how you can do that? So first of all, we have the perks over here on the right side. When I just go climb it, you can see I will get free Google Play points. You can see I can even get, if I'm lucky, about 10,000 Play points. Today I got only 17. So whatever, I'm going to click to done and back here and I want to show you how to just exchange your Google Play points once you just collect that here on Play Store. So you can see when I tap over here Play Credit, I got the package of the Play credits. I can change my Play points to this Google Play credits. So I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to use 1000 Play points to get 10 lira. It's time to change it. So tap on 1000, tap on use the points. After it's going to ask you to verify the process with your fingerprint. So scan it, and here you can see once process has been done, you will get your Google Play credit. So I'm just choosing no thanks and I got 63 layers to show my Google Play credit. I can check out for that credit from the account profile. So you can see I got only 2000 Play points already on my account. So I'm just going to check my Google Play credit. Now here from payments and subscriptions, payment methods, you can see here I have 64 layers and I can just subscribe to Spotify Premium membership for free. You can also collect Play points for free by doing some tasks like installing games, playing games, or you can just follow up these all setups you got from Play points. And once you just collect them all, you can just subscribe to Spotify, buying games in Play Store or whatever you want. So this is all about how you can get free Google Play credit in Play Store of your Android devices. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.